Okay, so here we go. We got out on the balcony. How about these views? This is awesome. Look at this. It's incredible views. And look at the size of this balcony. It's ginormous. This is probably 15 to 18 feet long. This is another mini room. You could have a party out here easily. So over here, you're gonna have the incredible Katy Trail that's just over there. That is Victory Park. That over there is Uptown, and then that just kind of over there in the distance is more of downtown. And so this is the design district area. Over there is the Trinity River, and if you can see that, the bridge, the white bridge. So that's Trinity Groves. So this is a great area to get around. It's super quick access to get in and out. And this is a 35 over here, and we're really close to the North Dallas Tollway as well. Great balcony, and you can see how great this location is. This is awesome. We're going to continue on. I want you to see inside here, and this is the bedroom, and it's a good size. I love this big window. This window is huge, and you can see right out on the balcony, and you can see this is rather tall. I would say 11 feet, maybe 12 feet tall, and a good amount of space, so you could put a king in here, absolutely. I was having little problems with the lighting in here, so I don't know if we're going to get it to work, but I did want you to see as best you could. This is the bathroom. It's got a darker granite, and then it's got really huge tiles here. And then this is a walk-in shower, so that's super nice. And then this is the closet, and it's a pretty good size. You definitely walk in and see it. So I love this walk-in shower. Oh, I wish the light were working because this is cool. Anyway, that's awesome, and wow, great amount of space. Okay, and then here is the living room, and let's see the living room. You've got a great amount of space to work with, and a great amount of wall space too, so plenty of space in here. This is the kitchen area, and I love this wall over here. It's some storage, but it's also just the way it's designed. It's kind of architectural, artsy. I just absolutely love it. It's very cool. So absolutely love the look here. These floors are like it's a hand scraped hardwood, and they're kind of grooved, and they're cool. So I like those. Here you've got a closet, just right here by the door. And then this is what the kitchen looks like. You've got a really nice island that's here, and then you've got a really pretty kitchen. You've got a Frigidaire, huge fridge here, and then lots of space to store, just tons. You really do have tons of space, and great amount of space on top too, the countertops to work with. Did you see this? Look at this. I love this. So this is like a pop-up storage area, and it's got frosted glass, so that's just so cool. And then over there you do have plenty of storage space for food. That's like a mini pantry. So this is a pretty floor plan. I like it. And there's your view just from afar. There's the American Airlines Center right over there, so super quick access to get out. And then this is what the hallway looks like, just so you can see it. It's pretty cool. And this was the door. Okay, on to the next model.